Well, this is Manish Koirala and this is EMK channel. Last week I gave you information about paragraph heading theoretically, and today I'm giving information how to do paragraph heading practically. Here we can find out a list of headings from 1 to 9, and just below you can find section B to section F. And to find out particular heading for this section, we have to read paragraph B, this one. And we must not forget one thing: each and every line is not important. You have to focus. Say in this situation, you can find it in section B, two paragraph, this one and this one. And first line is very important to get exact idea. For example, lower secondary schools in Japan cover 3 school years from the 7th grade age 13 to the 9th grade age 15. Virtually all pupils at this stage attend study school. Means here we can find out general information about school years of the Japanese students. And here also we can find classes are large, usually about 40, and are on streamed. In this manner, last line also you can find out because of the relative concentration of schools, there is some competition to get into the better school in a particular area. When you read this, you can find out summary information. This paragraph is giving information about background, the schooling system, right? So when we read this one, we can find here the influence of Manbusho and helping less successful. You can read this one, and per that paragraph we can find out number 7, background to middle years education in Japan. 7 number is correct answer. Why? Because here you can find out detailed information about secondary schools in Japan and what is the coverage that they have got. Okay? And for this question number 2, you have to read section C. Okay? Read section C. Section C, you can find a focal area. You can read traditional ways of teaching form the basis of the lesson, and the remarkable quit classes take their own notes of the points made and the examples demonstrated. Means you can find here information is about textbook, and here you can find Manbusho, and next place also you can find out Manbusho. Means this paragraph is related to Manbusho, which is providing inexpensive material and very well set and logically developed. So when you read this line, we can find out. And the last one also you can say, Manbusho also decides the highly centralized national curriculum and how it is to be delivered. So when you read about Manbusho here also, Manbusho has got positive impact. So after reading this one, we can find here the right place is the influence of Manbusho. Means number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, are you getting or not? Just I'm giving this information quite clearly. Similarly, we have to go section D. This is number 3. And you can read here, lessons all follow the same pattern. Same pattern. Don't forget. The first line is very important. Same pattern. And other sentences are only the explanation about the same pattern. At the beginning, the pupils put solutions to the homework on the board. Then the teachers comment. Means we can find here information about same pattern, right? So same pattern is very important in this situation. You can go through this. Same pattern means typical format. So our correct answer is number 5. Okay? And next for this number 4, you have to read section E. And section E you can find out clearly. Here also you can get two paragraphs, the first and second. It is remarkable that large mixed ability classes could be kept together for math throughout all their compulsory schooling from 6 to 15. Teachers say that they give individual help at the end of a lesson or after school. Setting extra word if is connecting word. Don't forget if necessary. In observed lessons, any struggles would be assisted by the teacher. So, struggling students would be helped, would be assisted by the teacher. You can find this area is also very, very important. Similarly, the next you can find out here, dear children, to keep up with the class, sending them to Juku. Juku means private evening tuition, okay, if extra help is needed. So this is also focus area. So this section is giving us information that weak students are assisted by the teachers through the tuition, okay. And after this we can find out here the correct answer is helping less successful students, that is number 2. And the last one we can find out number 5, section F, we have to read, and you can find out here F. So what are the major contributing factors in the success of math teaching? This is the question. Now explanation you can find here. Clearly attitudes are important. Clearly, you don't forget clearly. This is connecting what we have to know. Education is valued greatly, right? And don't forget, and here we can find emphasis on the hard work coupled with the focus on accuracy. So after reading this one, we can find here the key to Japanese success in math education, number 8 is the correct answer. Well, today only this lesson, I will give you next very important information in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.